So spinach and Swiss chard are two different types of leafy greens. However, in South Africa, I know we do call Swiss chard spinach as well. But to germinate spinach is different than what you're going to germinate Swiss chard. With spinach, you can plant it directly, but there is a less rate of germination than doing it the other way. And the other way is you take a damp cloth, or you can take a damp paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in your fridge for about a week to 2 weeks. So that's 7 to 14 days for it to germinate. And then after the first week, you check every day if it did sprout or anything like that. And once it sprouts, you take it out, put it in your soil, and you can bury it about a centimeter to a centimeter and a half deep. Like I said, they'll take 7 to 14 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in about 40 to 55 days. And also you have to be very careful with your spinach. They do go to seed quite fast, so try to plant them into a more shady area than a hot area. And once they are ready to harvest about 25 days, you want to constantly harvest them. But if you want the full plant, you're going to wait at 40 to 55 days.